care. We are going to introduce about our product Nurse Care. It is a complete pain management oil, totally organic. People mistake being an organic. They think that only organic food is available. Human is an organic, total. So anything organic, it doesn't give any side effect. Either it is a medicine, or it is a food, or it is a cloth, or whatever it is. Because compatibility is well only when organic to organic. But we use a synthetic chemical based, fine chemical based for pain management, like allopathy drugs and other drugs, which creates lot of problem. So better to try pain. Pain is almost common above the age of 40 or 30 even. So it's an external application. It serves the purpose of soothing the pain, as well as the root cause of the pain also getting cured. Apart from that, the Nurse Care is got a lot of advantage, which has been customized to the individual on application. Okay. So any more details you require, you can keep in touch with the WhatsApp number which has been displayed on the screen. Thank you very much.